Today I'm touring a 2-queen room at Disney's Pop Century Resort. It's coming up right now. Queen bed rooms at Disney's Pop Century Resort are 260 square feet, which is typical for a Disney value hotel. To give the room more usable space, one of the queen beds is part Murphy bed and part table bed. When the bed is folded up, a small table unfolds, and when the bed is in the down position, the table automatically folds up and disappears. Raising and lowering the bed is relatively easy, and rooms have a cute Mickey Mouse overlay, and you might even discover a few other characters in the room. Disney did a great job of maximizing every square foot in each room. You'll find plenty of storage, including underbed storage, cubbies, and a dresser. Rooms come with a mini fridge just large enough to hold a few bottles of water and a snack. A coffee maker is also provided, which uses single-use paper filters, and they are provided free of charge. USB chargers are limited, so if you have multiple devices, I recommend bringing a USB charging hub. Bathrooms are small, but the shower and toilet are sectioned off from the single vanity, which allows for multiple people to get ready at the same time. Queen bed rooms sleep a maximum of 4 people. To see more about what I do, visit me at orlandoparksky.com. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram.